Good morning, students. Today I would like to discuss about what is letter writing, types of letter writing, and the formats of letter writing. The letter writing is very important in our examination. It contains 5 marks. What is letter writing? Letter writing is really an art. Letters are an important form of written communication. What is communication, boys and girls? Communication is a two-way process. Speaker and the listener. We have to share our ideas from one to another. The examples of written communications are letter writing, emails, memos, articles. We have to write letter to express our ideas, information, opinions, requests, messages, orders, complaints, and etc. Letters have a major use and importance. Letters still have a major use and importance in our society. So students should develop letter writing skills. The types of letter writing. The types of letter writing. Letter writing has divided into mainly two types, formal and informal. Formal letters are called official letters. Informal letters are called personal letters. The examples of formal letters are application letters, business letters, complaint letters, edited letters. When you have write formal letters to our superiors, you have to write the body of the letter only brief information. In the body of the letter, you have to write only what you want to say, what you want to say him, what is the need of you. And the next one is informal letters. Informal letters are called personal letters. The examples of informal letters: parents, relatives, friends, etc. We can write the informal letters to our relatives, parents, friends, etc. members. So we have to use the lengthy of paragraphs, lengthy of information. You can share everything with your parents, relatives, friends, and etc. members. The formats of letter writing. The formats of letter writing. In your previous course, you learned three formats of letter writing. The first one, indent format, blocked format, fully blocked format. Already you knew very well the indent format from your 7th class onwards. The blocked format. The blocked format, we have to write only from the left margin except the date. In the fully blocked format, every information should be started from the left margin. We no need to use in the right margin side. According to our syllabus, according to our R19 syllabus, we need to learn two formats only. The two formats are full block format, semi block format. What is the first one? Full block format and the semi block format. So the first one is sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, subject line, body of the letter, subscription. Subscription means leave taking, signature. In the full block format, every information should be started from the left margin. No need to write in the right side margin. Where you have to start at the first line, you have to using the first line from the margin only. So here, look at the first step, the sender's address. Sender's address here, name of the person, door number, village, mandal, district. Date 20 May 2020. Next two address rastam akkada. Let us look at the full block format. The full block format, When you are writing a letter in full block format style, every information should be started from the left margin only. No need to write in the right side margin. So every line should be started from the left margin. Here in the letter writing, we used 8 characteristics only. The first one is sender's address. Sender's address means who are writing a letter. The second one is date. Today's date is 20 May 2020. And the next, receiver's address. Whom are you writing? మనం ఎవరికి రాస్తున్నాం? Receiver's address. The next one, salutation. After the salutation is subject. Subject means what is the main theme of the letter. For example, you have to imagine now you are writing a letter to your principal of college to requesting a 5 days leave. In the subject line you have to mention request a leave for 5 days. And after that, in the body of the letter, you have to start the body of the letter from the left margin only. When you are writing the body of the letter, no need to use in the paragraph style. Every line, every information should be started from the left margin only. After the body of the letter, and you have to give a thanking you. And the seventh part is subscription. Subscription means leave taking. Leave taking here, yours sincerely. You have to write Y is capital letter. Don't write apostrophe S. Yours sincerely, yours faithfully, yours truly, yours obediently. And the next one, signature. You can write your signature or into marks. This is the format of full block format style. Now let us look at the semi-block format style. In the semi-block format style, we need to write 8 characteristics of letter: sender's address, date, receiver's address, salutation, greeting, subject line, body of the letter, subscription, signature. Let us look at once the semi-block format letter. How we have to write the semi-block format letter writing. Here, every line should be started from the left margin except the sender's address, date, subscription and signature. In the body of the letter, we have to use the punctuation marks. No need to use the punctuation marks except the body of the letter. Thank you.